So today we are going to discuss some important current affairs question. Which of the following has started a nationwide community outreach campaign to induce adoption of health practice as promoted by the government in rural area to prevent the spread of COVID-19? So this nationwide community campaign are introduced by the Tata Trust. Okay, Tata Trust are introduced this. Who released the alternative academic calendar in primary and upper primary stage? So Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, our HRD minister, released this calendar for primary and upper primary student. So Bansan Das passed away. So he is related to politician. Okay, former Rajya Sabha member. Each of the following has an e-office application e-Karalai been launched for users of CISF to prevent coronavirus infection. So CISF, that is Central Security Force, is launched this application called e-Karalai, that is electronic office, which when in international delegates day observed. So 25th April observe this day. Coal India Limited will produce how many million tons of coal in financial year in this financial year? So 710 million tons of coal in the current financial year will produced. In April 2020, which state has started telemedicine service in 300 health and wellness center to provide comprehensive primary health service on doorstep? Okay, people in rural area. So this is started by Punjab government. So, human trials of vaccine developed by which of the following university against the novel coronavirus began in the UK? So Oxford University began their human trials. Okay, so the UK government has pledged £20 million to support the coronavirus vaccine trial program. So the vaccine is made from harmless chimpanzee virus. Okay, this vaccine is made by the chimpanzee virus. By which of the following was a virtual workshop on contract management during emergency situation, organized in collaboration with AIMA for Project Management Unit Jhelum Tawai Flood Recovery Project? So this is done by the World Bank. World Bank. This was organized by World Bank in collaboration of All India Management Association. So a virtual workshop was organized by the World Bank. The objective of this workshop was to educate participants about the likely adverse impact of COVID-19 pandemic. All India Management Association is national apex body of the management profession in India. Okay, so it is based the federation of 67 local management association. So World Bank was organized this contract management during emergency situation collaboration of AIMA. The Food and Drug Administrator of which of the following countries has approved the first at-home COVID-19 kit? So this is done by USA. So USA is the country who test the most of their COVID-19 cases. Okay, so they are near. So the capital of USA is Washington DC, and the currency you all know that is dollar. Costing $119 in the USA has developed by LabCrop, an American company. Which of the following has announced mechanism to support short-term research project evaluating the impact of Ayush intervention medicine in the prophylaxis and clinical management of COVID-19? So in this month the COVID-19 related news are mostly we can see that so in our question paper we also can see that the COVID-19 related question. So this is a very hot topic nowadays. So it is done by Ministry of Ayush has announced a mechanism to support a short-term research project. Okay, Ministry of Ayush has announced a short-term research project, and this will help in evaluating the impact of Ayush intervention and medicine in the prophylaxis and clinic management. Hospital and institution involved in the management case have been invited to participate in this scheme. In April 2020, government has declared the banking industry as a public utility service. How many months under the provision of Industrial Dispute Act? So government has declared the banking industry as a public utility service for 6 months till October 21, 2020 under the provision of Industrial Dispute Act. The bringing of banking service under the provision of Act means that banking sector would not see any strikes by the employee or office during the operation of law starting from April 20. So for the COVID-19 reason, if any emergency are come or no financial to recover to prevent in financial emergency, so for this reason the banking industry announced the government announced the and declared for the banking industry do not any strike. Franklin Templeton of Mutual Fund has voluntarily decided to wind up how many its fixed income debit scheme effective April 23. So Franklin Templeton is a mutual fund company that wind up 6 of its fixed income debit scheme effective April. Okay, the fund house has taken this step as it believes that the market will not return the normally soon because of COVID-19 disruption. The sixth scheme cultivation managed assets worth 26 crores. In April 2020, with which of the following has Vodafone and Idea launched Research Sathi program which helps individual and small business to earn an additional income. So the Vodafone Idea, we all know that Vodafone and Idea are merged as because their financial condition is not good. So for this reason they merged with Paytm for their Research Sathi program to promote their program, and for the objective of this program is to help the small business to earn an additional income. Who has been appointed as the chairman and MD of Housing Urban Development Corporation? So Shiv Das Meena has been appointed chairman of MD Housing Urban Development. His appointment period is 6 months. Which of the following has signed managed service with US-based ED tech company to provide virtual service to the education providers? So NEET, that this is wholly owned subsidiary of USA, has signed managed services agreement with USA based EdTech company to provide virtual service to education provider. Okay, the term is agreement is 5 year and both companies see this as a significant partnership. When two where two market leader go to market jointly to provide innovative solution of testing and certification marketplace. So which of the following countries has named first Mars exploration mission to be launched later in 2020? Taiwan one. So China launched this first Mars exploration mission. So actually this is launched in earlier, but for the COVID-19 disturbance, and they launched 25th April. So the capital of the China is Beijing and Chinese currency is yuan. The aiming of this program is to catch up with India, USA, Russia and European Union to reach the red planet. Okay, so till now the four countries are launched their mission in Mars, but China does not do that. For this reason, China first Mars mission are conducted. Which of the following has developed a new easy to build high pressure ventilator called Vital for COVID-19 patients? So NASA is launched has developed a easy to build high pressure ventilator. This ventilator is designed to treat the patient with symptom of COVID-19. In April 2020, Riva Ganguly does participate in a webinar organized with the Indian and Bangladesh Chamber of Commerce and Industry. The leader from which of the following business groups are participate in it? So all Pran Group, Ifad Group and Sid Group are participating. So you have to remember that thing that from our India, the Riva Ganguly does participate in this webinar. Okay, that is organized by Bangladesh. Okay, so there have a little bit of difference in a seminar and a webinar. Webinar are basically done with the through of the participant are participate in this program with the help of the website of the online. Okay, so for this reason it is called webinar. So the capital of the Bangladesh, you all know that is Dhaka, and Bangladeshi Taka is the currency of the Bangladesh. Which of the following has got the approval from the Indian Council for Medical Research for pro-free coronavirus detection assay developed by it? That is developed by IIT Delhi. IIT Delhi has got the approval from the Indian Council for Medical Research for a probe-free coronavirus detection assay developed by it. The assay has been validated at ICMR with a sensitivity and specificity of 100%. Okay, so IIT, the first academic institution to have obtained ICMR approval for real-time polymerase chain reaction based diagnostic assay. Okay, so this is our last question. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates.